Hello everyone and welcome to today's session on Umbraco 17. Today we will be looking at the latest features, enhancement and how Umbraco 17 is helping to reshape the future of content management system. Here we can see Umbraco versions and the last latest LTS version of Umbraco was version 13 and the latest version of Umbraco is 17, which is long-term support release. So between version 14, 15 and 16 they were the short-term support of Umbraco, and the long-term support of Umbraco is our latest version, which is version 17. And we can see in the screen which are the active versions of Umbraco 13 and Umbraco 17. And the upcoming version will be Umbraco 18, 19, 20, which will be short-term support, and the long-term support will be Umbraco 21, which will be the long-term support. So majorly Umbraco 17 will having end of life on November 27, 2028, which is a long phase. So it is a good time to upgrade any website from Umbraco 13 to Umbraco 17. Now we will see some key features of Umbraco 17. Load balancing of the back office. So one of the major feature in Umbraco 17 is balancing of load balancing of back office. It helps the back office to run faster and more smoothly by multiple servers. So this is very useful for the things like signal R and long running tasks, making the system more stable for the editors. And the second point is consistent handling of the dates. Previously it was not available in Umbraco, so this time in this update Umbraco has ensured the consistent date handling across the environment by standardizing all the system dates to UTC. In earlier version of Umbraco, dates were saved using server local time, which caused issue when server ran in the different time zones or during the daylight saving time. So in the latest version of Umbraco 17, they have maintained the dates in UTC form only, so there will be no void between the dates. Also, there is a new data type named as date time with time zone property. So that has been introduced in Umbraco 17, and which is the major changes as during the publishing or schedule publishing time, it will be very helpful date things. And also the UI improvements are done. Umbraco is known for its simple and user-friendly UI, and in Umbraco 17 they have kept that promise. They have made several UI improvements such as clear entity icons, helpful action shortcuts, better accessibility, and many small changes that make editing easier and smoother. What is new in Umbraco Cloud? So in Umbraco 17, Cloud gives us a ready-made, ready-to-use setup from day one, along with a steady improvements across performance, scalability, and enterprise features. Here, enterprise users benefits from upgraded cloud tools such as improved CI/CD, hostname check, central identity management, and daily bandwidth insights. Together, these updates make clouds the most reliable and low maintenance way to run Umbraco 17. Talking about Umbraco Engage in cloud, Umbraco Engage is fully aligned with the new back office and includes deploy support, making it easier to move personalized setup between environments. Overall, we can say that Umbraco 17 delivers a more powerful, scalable, and a future-ready platform with smarter tools for editor, improved customization options, and a polished back office experience. Now we will see how Umbraco 17 has been we can install in a local system. So this is the command line, and some of the prerequisite of Umbraco installation is .NET version 10, which has been supported with Umbraco 17, and I have provided a link of .NET version 10, and tools like VS Code and Visual Studio 2022 is required. So here I will show how Umbraco 17 has been installed in our local system. Simply while running the command, we can install Umbraco 17 in our project. And before that, we need to see the .NET version. So I have already upgraded to .NET version, which is 10.0.0, which is reliable to Umbraco 17. Here I will create one new Umbraco project. we will see from Visual Studio side how Umbraco has been installed. Basically, we can see like MVC or Web API. Umbraco is also one of the package or a framework as I have installed. We will do it by CLI command only. So here I am creating a new project of Umbraco. Here a new project has been created named as my project. Now I will run that project. Here it is restoring the packages of Umbraco and my project will be running in a browser. Okay, so here we can see now it is listening to port numbers. One new thing in Umbraco 17 is we can only run in HTTPS. So this way we can set up Umbraco in a local instance. And I've already mentioned the prerequisites which were there. And now we are in the Umbraco pack office. This way we can do the things with Umbraco. Thank you guys.
Great others. So like using simple command, we can just set up the Umbraco 17.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
For more technical videos related to Umbraco 17 new features, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Have a